To see how I achieve this look, stay tuned.
Because who I am should make you feel a little bit insecure about who you are. It should make you wonder, are you on your square? It should make you wonder, are you really giving your best? Because when I come into the room, everybody ought to step their game up. So I'm not.
Okay, so I have already washed and actually did the LOC method. Then I went ahead and plaited up my hair. So right now I'm just going to be taking the plaits out and combing out my hair. I am just going to do the same thing for all 4 sections. Now that all 4 sections are down, I will be brushing it up into a ponytail. And I'm just running the brush through to try to get it as smooth as possible. Now I'm going to be taking a ponytail holder and pretty much just placing it right on it to pull my hair out the way. Then I'm going to grab the edge comb and try to pull some edges out. I'm really trying to learn how to do my edges, so some girl told me to pull out more edges, like pull out more hair from the front, so that's what I did. And now I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel, and I'm gonna be placing that on my hair to try to get a smooth ponytail. Now I am going to be making the ponytail tighter. I'm just adding a little more gel to try to get it as smooth as I can. And this is as smooth as I can get it. Now I still have a lump in it, but later in the video I'm gonna go back and smooth it all out. But now I'm just trying to evenly place all of my hair over the little donut bun, which I got from my local beauty supply store. And now I'm just brushing it out. I could not figure out how to get the ponytail holder on my head, y'all. At this point, I am just trying my hardest to work with it, to stay with it, try to make it work, and it just was not working for me. I was trying to tuck my hair under, that wasn't working, so I just kept going anyway. And so right now I'm just pretty much trying to see how I like it, and I'm you know how we be trying to see what angles is cute from, and yeah, it's really not working for me. Like I cannot, the lump right there, I cannot get with it. So back to the drawing board. At this point I have smoothed out the lump. Now I'm gonna try to spread my hair around it on it again, but at this point my hair is feeling dry, so I'm gonna take some pink moisture and put that on my hair, and then I'm gonna place the donut back on my head. Then I'm just going to take a little bit more of that pink moisture and put it on the outside of my hair pretty much, and spread the hair back all over the donut. And y'all, this is where the struggle was real. Like I closed my eyes. I could not figure out how I wanted to put this ponytail holder on top of this bun. I grabbed the rubber band, stress and clean out. Okay, so I decided to just take the little cream one and just place it over once. Look, the struggle is tough with this natural hair. Then I took the smaller black one to give it a neater look pretty much. Now I'm going to tuck the hair under the black one. Then I'm going to grab the cream one and pretty much secure the donut. And you just wrap it as many times as you need to make sure you feel secure with the donut. Then I'm gonna go in with this Got To Be glue spray that I also got from my local beauty supply store, and just add that to my hair to give it like a more sleek look. And then I'm just gonna smooth the little flyaways down, which I missed one, but it's cool. And I'm just smoothing everything down, trying to make it look as sleek as possible. And I'm gonna go in with the wrap and just lay down my edges with that so they can hold, if not all day, somewhat out the day. And this is the final look. This is a close-up. I don't know what we was listening to, but I am now headed to get my haircut. Sorry I did not show the haircut. I didn't forget at this point. I was running late for church, a church event. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more videos.